I'm here right now at the Bruce Peninsula National Park, and here we will go hiking, and I'm going to show you the different spots. There are many caves, and there are cliffs and rock formation, and a lot more of the Canadian outdoors. Right now we're going to hike to the Grotto, which is one of the most popular spots here at the National Park. Let's go! Taming the bear. Let's go. Guys, it's so exciting. Look, there's a little lake here, but this is not the main lake. So you see, this is the trail. It's a little bit difficult. It's so rocky, and seems like you're in the forest right now. I am in the forest right now. Okay, let's go. Oh, I am in the forest. Just starting and I'm tired already. Okay guys, how cool is this? Can you hear the chirping of the birds? We are now at the Horse Lake Trail, and our destination is the Grotto. It will be a surprise. What is Grotto? I think there's a cave somewhere there, but I'm gonna tell you that this trail will be walking for almost an hour guys of walking. So we have to protect the area, don't touch anything, be careful of the rattlesnakes, and don't disturb the species around here. Don't disturb the ecosystem. So let's go guys. Keep on walking for an hour. Keep going. Right now guys, we are at Georgian Bay, and next to it is Lake Huron.
Down there.
Down there. Some people call this the Bahamas of Canada because there's a lot of little islands in the middle. Oh guys, this is so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful view on a nice sunny day. And we'll be walking there. We are not yet done, so we will keep on walking, going there to the grotto. Let's go. Let's go guys, let's go. Part is hard. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Baby, look.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Watch your head. The trail is getting harder. It's good I found a cave. We're still in track. Look, Grotto going there, Georgian Bay Trail going there. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Keep walking. Wow, wow, wow. The cliff. Oh, no, 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 no. Ooh, it's so stiff. My gosh, this cliff. And look at the water. It's so clear. Very, very clear. Ay. One of the clearest waters so far. Oh my goodness. Woohoo. Where? Ay, see, there's the snake. It's poisonous. So we're here now at the grotto.
You can look, I was taking your picture.
You see those rocks? Those rock formations?
Another picture?
There's a cave underneath. And look at the beautiful view.